Hello and welcome back. I have a little, well, it's not exactly a tutorial, it's more about how I use this, and this, and being very mysterious, is this. Numbers. Got it round the right way. Christmas numbers. This is available as a digital download in my Etsy store. It's an idea that I stole with permission, that I stole from IzzyBee of IzzyBee Creation 2 years ago. She created a set of Christmas journals that had numbers in circles like this. Hers were, I think, a die cut. No, there was the circles and then the numbers were die cut punched out of the circle. And she created a set of Christmas journals for sale that had these numbers in. And I remembered last year when I was creating my own Christmas journal what she had done the previous year. And I made my own version of it, which was, this is all that's left of last year's, these numbers here. Now these were never for sale. I mean, when I put them online into IzzyBee's Facebook group, somebody suggested that I put the PDF up for sale as a download. But to be honest with you, I didn't have an Etsy store then. My head wasn't in the right space for doing that kind of thing, so I didn't do it then. But I'm doing it now instead. And I've recreated this thing. This isn't really right for going on to Etsy. And when I came to doing this year's Christmas journals, last year I made them all as gifts, but this year I've made them to sale, and I've got a separate video which is going up soon. But to give you a little bit of a sort of hint at the Christmas journals, let me just sort of wave it across the screen like this. Isn't that beautiful? And that's it, that's all you're seeing for a while, until I actually upload the videos and they go up for sale. So yeah, but for the meantime, if you are not in a position to actually buy a Christmas journal like that one, or it's already gone, it's already been sold, or you already have your Christmas journal but you kind of like to use this numbers idea, then I have this as a digital download for you in my shop. And you will see that there are different fonts. So this is more sort of typewriter driven from these, completely different font. Now what I did for the for the packs that I have made, I have repeated the same thing. I've got another little envelope, and on the back of this I printed, I found from somewhere a digital wallpaper or Christmas paper. Now obviously I can't sell that because that belongs to somebody else. I wouldn't want to sell it. But what I will do is to put a link in the description box below to where I got that from on Etsy, so that if you want to do something similar, you can do. There are a number of different ways to use these things. So I'll show you. Let me just show you my journal from last year. But no, actually, we'll get to that in a minute. When you receive the file, you will get both a PDF and a JPEG. Now, this was my testing. As you will see, I've mixed bits in the bottom. This is the JPEG and this is the PDF. They actually print ever so slightly differently. I'll bring them up so you can see. If you look at the 25 there, they're slightly different in colour. It's exactly the same printer, slight differences in colour. So I would recommend that you print the JPEG, which is this one, because I think you get a sharper image. But I will put both of them on the download when you buy them, and then it's up to you. You can choose which one you want. But what I would say is that you should print these on an as-is size. I've done that with mine. I just double click on it and open it up. The PDF I open in Adobe and print on actual size, I think it is, and then this one I just printed on A4 paper. I hope that this will work with letter paper, but I don't actually have any letter paper or a letter paper printer to test it on, so we'll see what happens. But the way that you use it is very, very simple. The way that I use it, let me show you what I do. So this is a fresh copy, you can see here, and I'll just cut that on the top. Hope this is visible. And then I've got here an inch diameter punch. It's very common. Lots of places have them. Hope that you have them. If you don't, you can always cut round them, you know, with a pair of scissors, the old-fashioned way. But if you hover it over, you'll be able to see this. It should be exactly the right size, and there you go, Bob's your uncle. At least it does if you're actually doing positioning it right, but it will print them out quite very well. And if you look at these, you can see that they've been printed out really nicely. Ah, come on, there you go. No white edge or anything. It's that where it's meant to be, and then on the back, we've already talked about that. So that's how you do that. Now the way that you can use them, a number of different ways that you can use these. You could print these, if you've got some designer paper, designer card that is white, you could very easily cut it into A4 size and then print these numbers on the back of your designer paper. You can take some designer card and just stick your numbers onto the back of the designer card and then cut round it or punch round it, whatever. That's if you want them double-sided. In theory, you could even print two of these and then put two of the same number together. You could also be in a situation where it doesn't matter because you're going to stick it straight onto the page, therefore you're not going to see the reverse. So let me show you in last year's Christmas journal. This was what I did for journaling every day in December, or tried to anyway. I printed a number of backing circles from things like Christmas cards and stuff like that, and that's one of them. So that's another alternative that you can do. If you print a whole load of pretty things, I'll bring that up so you can see pretty bits and pieces from like Christmas cards or designer cardstock, and then you can stick them onto the back of these bits of paper if you want to. There's the first one, it's number one. What I've done here is I've used UHU glitter glue pen. There's one in red. You can get them in loads and loads of different colours. Great for children, nightmare for adults. I think I said in the other video that I absolutely love glitter, and I spend 3 months before Christmas every year with glitter permanently on my face and my hair and all over my clothes, and I just go mad with it, but I love it. But anyway, while these work, and that's what I did this with. If you have a look here, you can see that the one, come on, focus, the one there, and you can see at the bottom it's not quite gone all the way along, so you don't always get perfect coverage with it. So what I would say is that a better way maybe to if you want to fill in the number or something like that, so a better way of doing it may be with art glitter glue. If you've got one of these with a metal tip, you can get a really fine line of glue, and then you can use fine glitter that you've got here. There's another one there. I think I just got these from my local Wilkinson's, which is sort of basic. Oh, they sell all sorts in Wilco's. But you know, craft shops and that kind of thing will have fine glitter. And this was a trial I did for an envelope that is in the Christmas journal packs, and you can see that's just a really fine line of glue, and then you can stick the glitter to it. And in fact, I think that's why it's called art glitter glue. It's what it's actually used for. So I would definitely recommend doing it this way if you can. You want to colour in the numbers. So that's one way that you can do it. The second way is number two. That's just covered with glossy accents. If you've got glossy accents or Mod Podge, shiny Mod Podge, you can get a glittery Mod Podge. So there's lots of options there. The number three on here, I just glue to the back of this paper to match here, and you can see there's the three upside down, but it's just punched with an eyelet and then put onto a ball pin to dangle on the side of the journal. So that's another way that you can do it. There's 4 also done with glossy accents, and 5, 6 with glossy accents too. I did a whole batch of them because I had a busy like 3 days or something, so I just glossy accents of those 3 and then thought that job done. So I've only just stuck to the paper, plain and simple, very basics, nothing wrong with that. You could go around the edge with glitter glue or without glitter glue. What else? There's number 8. 8 just stuck to the page there. So you can see I tried to go around the circle with them without glitter glue and it's not worked terribly well. You can see at the side there, it's kind of missing a bit of glitter. But there. What else have we got? You can number 9 is also we've done with glossy accents, but you can see that's being used as a tab to pull out the flip out. So, and there's another one there with a circle. So, a number of different ways you can use these things. That's just stuck in. I don't think there was anything else more variations really. So that's how I would use them. What I would say is use. I will link IzzyBee's original sort of idea in the description box below. Obviously, if you want, you can create this yourself. But if you can't be bothered with all of that, stuff, and you just want to be able to download and print and punch something, very simple, then this is for you. It will be on my Etsy store, and you can download it and then do as you wish with it. Okay. These other ideas, you could print them onto vellum paper, use them that way. Nik the Booksmith did a video where she found that Avery do some transparent shipping labels, and when you peel them off, I was explaining in the video just now that they print, and whether you can see the edge of this sticker, which has been done that way, maybe there, you can see around, but when you look at the actual sticker, I'll have this one out for you so you can see. When you look at the actual sticker, it looks white, but when you peel it off, the background of it actually looks transparent. And then when you put it onto whatever card or paper you're working with, you can see that the edges of it, the bit that looks white, just completely disappears into the card, and it looks like you printed it. It's really nice. You can write on it as well, so it's a really nice thing to have. But you can very easily put these onto that. I mean, with all sorts of ways, and I'm sure you can probably come up with more. If you do, put them in the description box below, because we all need these ideas. You're planning to journal every day in December, then this is definitely a fab thing to have. You can punch out the circles ahead of time and then you're ready to go. Anyway, that's there. In the meantime, I hope you all have a wonderful and amazing Christmas, and I will see you all very soon. Bye for now.